In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link Dropbox to Google Drive. We will do this with a simple one-time transfer using your computer, which is often the most reliable method for beginners. Start by opening Dropbox and signing in. If you are using a browser, you should see the Dropbox logo in the top left and your folders and files listed in the main area. Make sure you are in the correct account that holds the files you want to move, especially if you sometimes switch between personal and work accounts. Once you are signed in, select the files you want to move. You can click a single file or select several by holding the Control key on Windows or the Command key on a Mac while you click. The selected files will usually highlight so you can clearly see what is chosen. Take a moment to double-check that you picked everything you want because only the selected items will end up in Google Drive. Now click Download to save them to your computer. You will usually find the download option near the top of the page or in a menu that appears after you click with the right mouse button. When you click Download, Dropbox prepares the files and your browser will either ask where to save them or place them in your Downloads folder automatically. Large folders are often downloaded as a single zip file, which you can open later if needed. Next, open Google Drive. You can do this in another browser tab so you still have Dropbox open if you want to compare. When Google Drive loads, you should see the Drive logo in the top left, a navigation panel on the side, and an empty space or existing files in the center. Confirm you are signed into the correct Google account so the files land in the right place. From there, click New, then choose File Upload. You will find the New button in the top left of Google Drive, usually with a plus icon. When you click File Upload, your computer opens a file picker window, showing your folders and files. By default, it might open to your Downloads folder, which is helpful if that is where Dropbox saved your files. Select the files you downloaded from Dropbox. You can pick one file or several at once, just like you did earlier. Once again, selected files are usually highlighted so you can confirm your choices. When you are ready, click the button to open or confirm, and Google Drive immediately begins uploading. There is no extra save button afterward. Now wait for the upload to finish. In Google Drive, you will see a small upload status box in the bottom right, showing progress for each file. When everything completes, that box will show check marks and the new files will appear in your Drive file list. Google Drive officially supports uploading files and folders from your computer, so this method works the same way every time. You have now moved your files from Dropbox into Google Drive using a straightforward download and upload process. If this helped you link the two with a clean transfer, please give the video a quick thumbs up and subscribe if you want more clear walkthroughs like this.